Otherwise, don't speak, please. We shall discuss these fill in the blanks first. Okay. So Hassan, first blank, please read. This is in the
Yes.
paragraph form.
Okay. It is good to step out of your dash zone.
Uh, Ayaz, answer this question. Okay, so Ayaz neither answers nor speaks anything. Now, for the five lectures, next five lectures, we'll count absent. Then, what else can we do? Next name, Shafiq. What will be the answer here?
What, sir? Yes. Big drop.
Wrong. Seth, what will be the answer? Okay, he's also absent. Ahad, what will be the answer?
Organic.
Sir, Ahad is not there.
Arman, what will be the answer?
Sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Sir, can I say?
Arman,
Yes,
yes.
sir, the Saya Muhammad.
Sir, comfort.
Comfort is the correct answer, yes. Hassan, read the next question.
Yes, sir.
The narrator did this by going on a roller coaster ride. She visited dash where she rode dash a giant roller coaster.
Okay, let us ask to Saif now. He has come.
Yes, sir. She visited. Sir, where we have to read?
You have to answer the question.
Yes. Disneyland.
She visited Disneyland. The name of the place was Disneyland, and there the ride was
California Screaming.
exactly. It will come here. Okay, Hassan, read the next question.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. She and her dash went for the ride, leaving behind her father and dash.
Okay, this I want to ask to Lakhani Hassan.
Yes, sir. Big drop, sir.
Wrong. Thank you for trying. Gabrani,
Yes, sir. Her brother.
she and her brother went for the ride. Shall I give you this lesson to write 10 times? What you all people were doing when I was explaining the lesson? We were sleeping or what? Hassan, answer.
Yes, sir. She and her mother went, and second answer is brother.
Yes, because she and her mother went up and her father and brother were standing down. First, the coaster car climbed a hill, and a few bumps later, ride approached the dash. Who will give me this answer?
Sir Hassan?
Yes,
A big drop in
exactly.
height.
Although scared at the beginning, the narrator thought that the same ride was fun. Later that year, she convinced her dash to ride the same roller coaster.
Braver.
No.
Sir, can I ask some?
Cause
Kapas.
can I save?
Ozin.
Yes, chef.
Ozin.
The narrator realized that stepping out of your comfort zone makes you braver. Only the last
Sarasan?
option is left. Only the
Braver.
last option is left. Here the options are given. Okay. So boys
Yes.
first, I will give you the time. All the boys take out the rough book and you have to give the heading, fill in the blanks with the words from the box, and then you don't have to write the options. You directly write this question which is there in the paragraph form. I will give you exactly 6 minutes. Come on. Let's see who will write fast with good handwriting as well. No excuse me sir, nothing. Rough book में लिखना है. Give the heading here. Don't write the options. Directly write this question. Just write the questions. Answer we will write again after discussion. But leave big lines for filling the blanks so that we can write the big words also in the rough book. Within 6 minutes, those who will not complete, for them, I will give them to write this 3 times in the homework. And I will call their parents. I'm muting the mic. You also mute the mic.
Yes, that's why I'm not safe.
Sir, don't shake my hand.
Now please write the answers. Let's see how many of you will write it correct.
Hello, sir. Sir, dan Parian Muhammad Safiq.
Installation work is done.
Sir, Ryan Gabrani work is done.
Okay, now Seth. Hello.
Sir,
He is not there.
what, sir?
Seth is not there.
Yes, sir.
Sir, he's joined now.
Okay. Give the answer for the first four blanks.
Yes, sir. It is good step out of your comfort zone. The narrator did this by going on a roller coaster ride. She visited Disneyland where she rode California Screaming, a giant roller coaster. She and her mother
Okay.
went for a ride.
Now Seth, select one name to whom you want to ask the another question.
Yes, sir, Sheikh Rehan.
Yes,
Sheikh
sir.
Rehan. The remaining
Yes,
blanks
sir.
you will solve it. You are going to solve the remaining blanks because Seth selected your name. Are you there, Sheikh Rehan? I think he is not able to listen to me. Seth, select another name.
Yes, sir. Muhammad Reza Nayani.
Yes, sir.
Remaining blanks you will solve.
Okay, sir. It's it is good to step out
Where,
of
where, where are you reading? You don't know, Seth already solved the first four blanks. Then what are you doing in the class? Mentally absent. First four blanks are already solved by him.
the ride across the dash.
I said first four blanks are solved. That means 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is left. Why you people are not smart? Now in 6th standard, I have to teach you to use your smartness. I gave you so much time to write the questions and to find out the answers on your own. I was just observing that who is able to do the self-study and who has the patience to remain silent. नायानी मोहम्मद रेजा मैं उर्दू में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं चाइनीज में नहीं बोल रहा हूँ आई एम टॉकिंग इन इंग्लिश गिव मी द आंसर इन इंग्लिश
Yes, sir. Father and brother, father and dash brother. First, the coaster climbed a hill, and a few bumps later, the ride approached the Disneyland
नो
with
रॉन्ग See, this
California.
happens. Even after solving this, you people don't know the answer. Mute your mic. Thank you. Seth, select another name.
Biryani Shafiq.
Yes, sir.
The remaining three.
3 ke 4.
The remaining three, I already said. Do you need the confirmation again?
Okay, sir. Comfort. FP number 1.
What FB number 1? I said remaining three. क्या आप लोग लेक्चर में क्या कर रहे हो बेटा?
सर आंसर देने का है ना 3FB का.
रिमेनिंग थ्री का मतलब क्या होता है? क्योंकि आपके दोस्तों ने पहली 5 सॉल्व कर दी है, रिमेनिंग 3 बोला मैंने।
Sir, can I Arman?
यस अरमान।
Yes, sir. First, the coaster car climbed a hill, and a few bumps later, the ride approached the California screaming.
नो 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 नो, so bad. I thought I
Can
gave
I
you
answer?
extra time. No, Hassan, it is of no use. Like all the answers, only 3 students will give. What are the others coming for then? The ride approached the big drop. Continue, Arman.
All thought scored, and the beginning, the narrator thought that the same ride was fun. Later that year, the convinced her her cousins the
Very good.
ride the same roller coaster. The narrator realized the stepping out of your comfort zone make you braver.
Very good. Okay. So now you have written the answers of fill in the blanks, which was in the paragraph form. Actually, now when we will complete all the objectives, I will ask you to write this thing in your Fairbook as well. Students, tell me, we are discussing each and everything in English. Possibly, if I don't have any synonym, then I gave you that word, the hint in Hindi. Again, I ask for the confirmation after every 2 paragraphs. Did you understand or not?
Yes.
At
Yes,
that time,
sir.
you say, yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir. Now, if you are not able to give me the answer, that simply means that you are a ship. One after the other will walk. If one will say yes, the other ships will say yes. Don't be like a dead fish, going with the flow. When I ask you at every 2 paragraph at the end, did you understand? When you don't understand, you need to say that, no, sir, I did not understand. Can you please explain this paragraph again? You are insulting yourself if you are not asking the question. You people are paying fees. You people are coming here to study. It is your duty to ask the question 3 times if you don't understand. Yes, अगर आपकी आंखें बंद है, मोबाइल रख के साइड में, ध्यान कहीं और है, then it is your mistake. पर अब अगर आप सुन रहे हो, if you don't understand, then it is your duty to ask that again. How will I know whether you have the doubt or not? This is not the way when I ask you to solve the easiest question. Fill in the blanks. These are very easy. If you don't know this, how will you write question and answers? पहले भी बताया था 6th स्टैंडर्ड से ध्यान रखना, एक बार स्टोरी समझ लो, once if you understand the story, तो फिर क्वेश्चन आंसर, रेफरेंस कॉन्टेक्स्ट, everything is easy. Because questions are the part of the lesson. You already know the entire story. You can make your own answer if you know the story. What happened, at what time happened, with whom it happened. Everything is very easy. You don't pay attention in the story. At the end, you try to by heart the question and answers, which are very big. You don't know anything. Because you have not paid attention in the class. Because you don't want to learn English. इंग्लिश नहीं समझना है, नहीं बोलना है, नहीं सीखना है. हेलो सर, ये बताओ तो, डायरेक्टली यू स्पीक इन हिंदी. व्हाई इज दिस हिंदी लेक्चर? टेंथ तक तो पहुंच ही नहीं पाओगे ऐसा इंग्लिश बोलोगे तो. So when sir is trying to make you speak in English, why don't you try to communicate with me in English? In future, wherever you hold your mobile phone, computer, laptop, everywhere English is useful. Even in the businesses.
Yes.
You know, third standard, second standard students are watching my lecture 2 times. Not because they are liking the concept or not because they want to understand the concept. They already understood the concept, but still they want to learn the sentences, the way I speak, the way I pronounce the word. They want to learn that. So their parents are sending me the videos. See, my son is watching your lecture 2 times. And you coming in the sixth standard don't know how to speak the basic lines in English. एंड टेल मी वन थिंग, अगर आप लोग इंग्लिश सीख जाओगे, अच्छा किसका दिखेगा? मेरा? आपके इंग्लिश टीचर चेंज होते रहेंगे, आपका ही अच्छा दिखेगा। आपको ये नहीं बोलने वाला, नहीं मुझे तो रोहन सर ने सिखाया है, फॉरगेट अबाउट इट। क्यों एक क्लास में रैंकर क्यों होते हैं, फेलियर क्यों होते हैं? सभी एक ही क्लास में तो पढ़ रहे हैं, फिर डिफरेंस क्या है? तो फिर in the next lecture, perhaps we are going to write few objectives. Maybe you will have to keep your rough book with you.
Yes.
Tell your friends to join the lectures regularly, because I will send the PDF, but not for everything. Say for an example, if I'm giving the PDF of question answers, but question answers will be explained in the live lectures. I cannot explain you in the PDF file. So it will be explained in the live lectures. You will get the chance to write it two times. So half of the answers will be learned in the live lectures itself. So there are many benefits of the classes. Yes, PDF you can get it from anywhere.
Yes.
But then copy
Yes,
paste,
sir.
only if you want to do copy paste, that will not be useful in your job or in your 10th standard. Because in 10th
Yes.
standard, 80% is grammar, only 20% is English. Only 3 to 4 question answers are there. Grammar only if you are perfect from now, you will be able to write the grammar paper there. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Goodbye.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
Bye,
Goodbye.
sir. Bye. Thank you tomorrow. Bye. Bye. Bye, sir.